Hi friends, today we're going to do a little science experiment. We're making something that's sticky and gooey and a little bit strange. It's oobleck. All you need to make it is cornstarch and water. We're going to mix them together and see what happens. It'll take about 1.5 cups of cornstarch and 1 cup of water, but I'm just going to start with cornstarch. Pouring it in the bowl. And if you start with the dry ingredient, then you can add the liquid ingredient very slowly until it's the consistency you want. So let's pour in some water, and I'm just going to use my finger and start mixing it up. And then we're getting some clumps, more water. Keep mixing. Oh, I feel it's getting a little thicker. More water. Mix, mix, mix. There's definitely a different consistency at the bottom of the bowl. I'm gonna try and mix in all the dry cornstarch. Wow, oobleck is such an interesting texture. You've got to try it at home. Add a little more water, and then I'm just gonna mix the rest up. And then, once it's all mixed together, you can play with it. I'm gonna get all the last pieces in there, and then I'm gonna swirl it around. It looks really liquidy, like milk. Swirling around. And then when I grab it, it feels hard. That's because oobleck is called a Newtonian fluid. It's a fluid full of cornstarch particles. And when you let it flows like a liquid. But when you grab a big piece and squeeze it, it reacts like a solid until you let go. Let me get a big handful. I'm going to make a ball, and it feels hard until I let go, and it just melts. Wow, it is so sticky and gooey. All right, I'm going to take a cup, scoop, and let's pour it into another cup. Whoa. Pour it into the bowl. And pour. Wow, what do you think it looks like? It's runny and white. It reminds me of glue. Such an interesting texture to play with. Okay, next let's add some color and do some color mixing. I have yellow food coloring and blue. Let's put some of each in the bowl and mix it together. Here's the yellow, and I'll do one drop of blue, or two. And I got a spoon here. Oh, it looks pretty, swirling around. Let's get the blue. Oh, it's it's very resistant against my spoon. It's almost hard to mix. Wow, look at those colors swirling. It looks like tie-dye. Mix. Mix, mix, mix. You could add the food coloring to the water before you make the oobleck, but this way we get to see all the color mixing swirls. And it takes some extra work. Well, we started with blue and yellow, but I see a new color mixing together here. What color do you see? Does it look green now? We have green oobleck. Yes, it's so gooey. I like it. So fun to play with. Woohoo! Right, I managed to keep most of it in the bowl. It's not too big a mess. When you're all done playing with the oobleck, just don't pour it down the drain because it could clog your drain. You could pour it right into the trash, or you could store it in a sealed container to play with another day. You could also lay it out into a sheet to dry and it'll turn back into the dry cornstarch, and you could store that to make oobleck another day as well. Thanks so much for making oobleck with me today. See you next time. Bye.